Korean women have crystal clear glass-like skin that has made many try to recreate it for themselves. Glass skin is referred to as the type of skin which is simply spotless, hydrated and very healthy. The absolutely clear skin is hard to achieve. So, if you're enchanted by Korean beauty regimen and want to find out how to achieve glass-like skin, then these suggested simple hacks might help you. These are the natural home remedies to help you achieve glass skin. Glass skin routine is a step-by-step guide to achieve flawless, dewy, and practically spotless glass-like skin. It comes as no surprise that this beauty regimen has sent people all around the world in a tizzy. Watch this video till the end and try these tips to achieve clear glass skin. Don't forget also to click subscribe button for more beauty tips video. Step 1: Oil-based cleanser. Take some coconut oil on a cotton ball. Apply the oil on your face skin and clean your face. Then wash with herbal face wash. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties and moisturizing abilities. Coconut oil for skin is perfect to clean your face. It will kill any bacteria and pimples while hydrating skin to keep it looking and feeling vibrant. Step 2: Exfoliation with rice flour. Take 1 tablespoon rice flour and add some lemon juice, then mix it well. Take some water and wet your skin. Gently scrub it on your skin for 3 minutes. Then wash off with water. Do this thrice a week. Rice has the ability to revitalize your skin's natural glow. Its soft texture lightly removes dead skin cells while the amino acids and vitamins nourish the new fresh skin. Step 3: Moisturizer with milk. Take 1 tablespoon honey. Add 1 tablespoon raw milk. Mix it well and add vitamin E capsule. Mix it again. Apply it on your face. Massage it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then wash off with water. Do these 3 times a week. It's not only nourishing with its nutrients content, milk can help to moisturize dry skin. Milk contains some liquid that works inside the skin layer and it can absorb into deep skin layer to nourish the tissue and prevent it from dryness. Step 4: Special face mask. Take 2 teaspoons of yogurt, and add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix it well. Now apply this mask on your face. Leave it on your face for about 15 minutes, and then wash off with water. Yogurt contains lactic acid, and alpha-hydroxyl acids that dissolves dead skin cells. The gentle exfoliation not only helps to create a natural glow and prevent breakouts, but works to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now for more beauty tips videos.